Excuse me, do you have this shirt in a larger size?
Yes, let me check. What size are you looking for?
I usually wear a medium, but this looks a bit small. Do you have a large?
One moment, please. Yes, we do have a large. Would you like to try it on?
Yes, that would be great. Where is the fitting room?
It's right over there, next to the mirror.
Thank you.
How does it fit?
It fits much better, but I'm not sure about the color. Do you have it in blue?
Let me see. Yes, we have the same shirt in blue and black.
Can I see the blue one?
Of course. Here you go.
Thanks. I think I like this one more. It looks nice.
Yes, blue suits you very well.
Thank you. How much is it?
It's 1,200 rupees.
Oh, that's a bit expensive. Do you have any discount?
We are currently offering a 10% discount on all items.
That sounds good. So how much will it be after the discount?
It will be 1,080 rupees.
Okay, I'll take it.
Great choice. Would you like anything else?
No, that's all for today.
All right. How would you like to pay? Cash or card?
I'll pay by card.
Please insert your card here. Payment successful. Here is your receipt.
Thank you.
Would you like a bag?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
Thanks for your help.
You are welcome. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.